Today we're going to show you a way to cut down your search time of comps by a third easily without any problem and have an endless scroll to see everything in your category that you're looking for without any delays whatsoever. Hey, it's Don. Today I wanted to talk about an application that can help you immensely. It's called Picclick, if you aren't aware of this. Now, Picclick will help you search through eBay much quicker. It can cut your time down in like a third because you can scroll through a ton, you can adjust it, you can sort it, you can do everything you can do on eBay. It's integrated with eBay as well, and it's really a big, huge plus in my book. You can look at all the photos at better quality than you can on most eBay searches themselves instantly. Let's hop over right now and show you just how useful this one single tool is, more so than most any, including eBay's search tool itself. So this is Picclick, and you can see it's Picclick.com, Picclick.com. Excellent site, works great, does everything that eBay search results do, except it's much quicker. You can literally just type something in and search through a ton of them all at once. Let's just type in Spider-Man comic, this is one I just got. Number 4 is what I just got, the vintage Silver Age comic. And you can sort it different ways. I can sit here and hit collectibles. I can sort it through just like on eBay. But what this site has is the ability to show them all much easier, much quicker. You can adjust the size so you can scroll them down however you want. It's an endless scroll. No more clicking from page to page. Total waste of time looking on eBay. This is so much better to look this way. And you can just put more and more on the screen if you want till it's just a flooded screen. Now, if you got a big screen and you know what you're looking for, you can center it down. This will save you a drastic amount of time. They can be sorted just as they can on eBay. So you can sit here and do completed listings, sold listings, unsold listings. You can do them by top rated, the returns, local, condition, all kinds of factors just like on eBay. They also have sorting options as well, so you can click sort by highest just like on eBay. There are some features, though, that eBay doesn't have. So let's pick out one of these and show you. Here's X-Men 4. Let's click on this one here so you can see what one of the listings has. Now, some of the best features on here are popularity. How many views this one has. You can compare how many views this one has versus other ones. You can guesstimate which one has a more likelihood to sell. You can also look at price. Gives you an average for all of the ones that you see up. It'll give you high end to low end, and you can kind of use that to compare and price your items as well, because you can use this search for just completed like you would normally do. I honestly use this search for most anything first before I even mess with eBay. Now, Terapeak obviously I still do use, but there is a paid version of this that offers even more information. I don't pay for it. I'm not recommending to pay for it. I haven't used the pay for service, but I sure as heck do use Picclick for almost any search when I'm trying to track down pricing or similars or anything like that. Gives you seller information. You can get their negative rating, a ton of different stuff. It's got comparabilities and the whole works, as I said. This is honestly one of the best ways. And then you can still look at other copies of similar magazines or comics or whatever you happen to be looking at. Now, all the links will take you to the page, the actual listing, just like anything else. Now, this can be used on Amazon in some aspects too, but the eBay searchability is just phenomenal. Nowhere else can you just flip through so many pages in such a short amount of time. It really and honestly saves you a ton of time. As a fellow reseller, I would honestly recommend any reseller out there that's searching up prices to give Picclick a chance. It honestly cuts down your search time, especially on completed listings, because you can look at so many and just scroll right on down. And it's pretty much an instantaneous thing. They quote it's 3 times quicker than searching on eBay, and I would honestly agree with them. There's not a ton of these sorts of sites that I would say, hey, it's great, but Picclick, I'm telling you, is an immense plus to any business. It saves you just so much time. It's not even funny how much time this can save you. Now, I really wish this was available for other platforms such as like PopSite, Discogs, and some other sites, because this really is a big plus. And they are approved through eBay. This is sanctioned by eBay as well, so it is an official thing. You can link your own account, your own eBay store to this to help you with the information as you do it. It's a big plus. You can import and do all kinds of other things with Picclick. Now, that is the pro version of this. Again, I don't pay for the pro version. I don't pay for pretty much any platform other than, say, PopSite and a few other little ones. Now, in some instances, it may be really worth your time if you're doing a ton of this sort of thing to pay for the add-on service in the linkability between your store and the site itself. Again, not necessary. It's free. Never had an issue with it. It shows pretty much every single thing you'd see on eBay here. It's just a direct pull from eBay. It's just so much better of a searchable setup. You can just see the amount. The endless scroll part is what I really like, because you can just scroll down, no more clicking between pages. So if you hate when you see a search result trying to find something and there's 100 pages, this is your plus here. This will eliminate a ton of that time for you. Well, there you are. Hopefully that gave you some ideas and some thoughts on this. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button down below. You can also hit the bell icon to be notified if I post new content or go live. Subscribe and tell all your friends.
Godzilla, Ebirah, and Mothra in one of the most explosive action pictures ever to hit the screen. From the depths of the ocean comes the most terrifying horror of the deep. From within the mountain caves comes the dreaded monster Godzilla. See the most titanic battle ever screened when the monster of the deep challenges the mighty Godzilla.